Welcome everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Bintang Ramadan.
And I am Aureza Pandu.
This time we will present a simulation text for controlling speed of 12-volt DC motor based on the Arduino Uno microcontroller using the Proteus software and the Arduino IDE programs. The component we use consists of Arduino Uno, 4 resistor, each worth uh, 100 ohms and 3 resistor worth 1000 ohms. Transistor, 2 pole relay, battery, DC motor, and blue LED. In the graph that we made, firstly, when the push button or switch 1 has not been pressed, switch 2 will always have a low value even though it has been pressed off or push button 1 eh push button 2 is low or off. Then when switch 1 is turned on, then switch 2 can turn on. When the switch 2 is low, the happen is the motor rotates is counterclockwise.
The first step begins by adding Arduino Uno components into the Proteus simulation. Next, connect the Arduino output pin to the 100 ohm resistor. The resistor is connected to a transistor and a 2-pole relay with a 5-volt setting. After that, the two DC motors pin are connected to two different relay output poles, which are then connected to grounding. The positive pin of the battery is connected to the input pole of the relay and transistor, and the other pin is connected to ground. In the switch circuit, we use a 1000 ohm resistor, and this is what the circuit we made looks like.
After the device in Proteus is assembled, the next step is we create the program in Arduino IDE, which will be transferred to Arduino Uno in Proteus simulation. Following are the details of program we create. Let we first define the description that is connected to pin 13 and 12. Is the circuit on the motor DC. Then for pin A0 and A1 on the circuit connected to the switch, pin A0 is for switch 1 and pin A1 for switch 2.
Then after getting the coding results, enter them into the Arduino in Proteus by copying the Arduino coding results saved below which end with hex. Then after that, double click on the Arduino Uno in Proteus, and in the program file enter the link that has been copied, then click OK. Then run the program and it can be seen that the program has been successful. If we switch to without turning on switch first, the nothing will happen. We have to turn on switch first. After switch 1 is turned on, then we can press switch 2. If switch 2 is in high condition, then the DC motor will rotate CW, and vice versa. If switch 2 is in low condition, then the DC motor will rotate CCV.
Okay, maybe that's all from us. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.